What's up, North Prairie Life crew? Okay, it's like 8 o'clock. I'm going on a grocery run. Actually, I wasn't planning on going fishing today. Went in Scheels, talked to some of the guys. They said they're doing a Scheels employee fishing day tonight. So, I did the only natural thing, which is finish watching my son's t-ball game, get in the boat, and we gotta go catch some fish because I have a really good feeling we're gonna put some groceries in the boat. And also hang out with some buddies. Let's rock. Oh, there's one. Well, tried to call, hooked up. Sorry, bud. Yep, that'll do. One cast, one fish. You recording? You are. 6 minutes of total record time. Okay, 2 casts I meant. How did I get a tick in the middle of the gosh darn lake? Well, we're playing service tag because none of us got service. As soon as I find out where they are, I'll go find them because, you know, it's fun to fish with friends.
Shout out NPLife, what up?
How's it going, man?
Not too bad.
You catching them? Yeah, you got kind of a journey.
I'm almost there. I'm
That's...
out of worms, so you know it's a good day, right?
Yeah, for sure. That's awesome.
Have a good one. Good to see you.
Thanks, you too.
I'm a sub, by the way.
Dude, right on. That is so awesome, man. I never get used to that. It blows my mind that you guys like to watch this stuff. Seriously, that's so cool. He said he's been doing really good with night crawlers, that guy in the kayak. Hey, kayak guy. Just got a paddleboard that I'm going to rig up for fishing because fishing videos have gotten super boring to me. Like, guys, how much fun is it watching me do this? It's not that much fun. I get it. But we're going to try to add a little bit of adventure to the fishing. Maybe stand-up paddleboard fishing. Add a little excitement. They're not biting here this second anyways. Let's pull the motor. Let's go find them. Let's go! Well, did you catch them? Did you catch them? Well, I pulled up to where I was telling Taylor earlier. Second cast caught one. I'm like, oh, cool. Where are they at?
Yeah, we said he caught a couple, so I was like, well, we might as well come back here for the end of it, so.
Sweet. Well, I pulled up, second cast I caught one, I was like, sick. And then I got a hold of him, he's like, oh, I fished there, it sucked. I was like, what? I don't see why they wouldn't be here. I talked to that guy on the kayak, he said he burned them today.
Really?
Yeah, I said he crushed them. Ooh.
Oh, he's angling.
England, baby!
Yeah, you guys just mind your own business. Y'all mind your business. Oh, I'm getting real sick of cleaning fish. I'm just kidding, dude. I suck like 90% of the year. All I know is that people driving by are gonna think they're crushing in here.
Yep.
One cast, you guys. What are you doing? Give me an orange. Okay, maybe you weren't lying.
Okay, I'm done taking pictures. I'm gonna catch fish now. I got some majestic shirtless pics though.
Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm looking for it. I gotta start doing sit-ups.
Dude, I'll even I'll touch it up with a little tan.
There we go.
Finish it off. There we go. No.
Last one?
Yeah. Have you guys caught any perch?
Yeah, one tiny one. One baby. Inhaled the back treble of the crank.
Crankbait was probably the
Maybe
size
6 inches.
of the perch.
Nice. I caught one last night. It was 13.
There we go!
Oh, cigarette break. Everybody quit reeling. Good eating though.
Ayo.
I think it's in his face. That's the ticket.
I think you're right. Eat it. There you go.
Get it, kid.
Nice.
I missed him the first time and I was like, oh, I suck. And then he's like, no, bro, I really want to die. I'm like, okay.
I won.
Yeah, you sucker.
They come back for it too. They come back for it.
You.
Yeah, that's
Oh no, he's gonna do it again. Yeah, dude, I was like a mile down doing the exact. How do you not laugh though? Yeah. I started off with like one of those Kalen's little like flippy tails, and I caught one. Then I fished for like 20 minutes, didn't get a bite. I changed back to the fluke, caught them all, and now I'm like, okay, I'll change back and see. And just nothing again. That's weird.
orange core in that we caught.
We're gonna put the old fluker back on and see what happens. Oh baby. You're down to the last 5 minutes. We've caught probably 15 fish. Nice. Toad. That's what she said. That's it. Well, that's it. Boat fishing, guys, I think is super boring to film. But today was fun. 4 boats, Scheels crew was out, caught our fish, it was great. Next adventure, fishing out of that stand-up paddleboard. Yeah, I gotta make it something, because guys, this is just, how much can you watch me pitching jigs? At least we caught them. All right, let's rock. That's it, we're done. Later.